want to show you a view of my Airsoft AirMag C11 Crossman CO2 pistol. Okay, we'll start with the clip. The clip is full metal. Just slide this spring down and put the BBs through that little hole. Then press this button, slide it in, and you're ready to go. CO2 goes there with this little knob. It does not have blowback. Right now it's on safe. That's why it's white there. Turn it to red. That means it's ready to fire. And it's hard to push a little bit, but it's a semi-automatic. That's why it's CO2. So yeah, here's the noise. I hate the noise. With the clip release, right, the button, right there. But there you go. There's the AirMag C11 by Crossman CO2. I used wait, let me check what CO2 I used. The Copperhead CO2. And yes, you can take off this to make it more comfortable, which is comfortable without that. So that's basically it, and I guess bye.